Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox the RELIFE-brand T2 and ST-20 precision tweezers and show you what they look like. This is the RELIFE T2 tweezer and this is the RELIFE ST-20 tweezer. Let's unbox this. We will start with the ST-20. Here is the ST-20 tweezer. Looks very nicely made. The tip is angled and the point is very sharp. So with these tweezers, they can be used in this orientation or they can be used in the opposite orientation. Next, we unbox the T2 tweezer. Also very nicely made. This T2 tweezer does not have a sharp tip. It has instead a flat straight edge tip. I have here the RELIFE RL-001G multifunctional maintenance storage container. On the top plate I have the mechanic brand of Mortar SE high precision screwdrivers, and this side I have several mechanic brand tweezers including ceramic tweezers, so I can add my RELIFE T2 and ST-20 tweezers to the collection. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.